Give it to him.
Here, get it. That one's for you.
Does it have a bully stick in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, no more bully sticks tonight.
No. Here, this one's for you. Here, you're gonna get it.
Get out.
Get this one. Here. The other one's a little more compelling, I think. Or the NFL on TV is. Are you overwhelmed? Is it too much for one night? Are you done? You done? You need help? Here. Come on. Here. Bring it over here. Come on. Get it. Look at it right there.
Oh, there's two in her bag.
He's like, I need privacy to open this. I'm not downstairs. Yo. That's it. He's going down. Oh. Excuse me. Yo, you're supposed to open that in front of the people who gave it to you. Open it up. You gonna open it? Are you so tired you can't? Oh, there. Yeah, you get it. Open it. Open it up, Papa. No? Too tired? Open it. Get it. Come on. Open it up. Yeah. Oh, what's in there? What's that? What is it? What do you have? Ah, it's paper. Oh, that's the good stuff right there. You got it. Oh, you got it. Oh my goodness. You want to take what? You're so happy. Are you happy? You love Christmas, don't you, Hoke? What'd you get? What'd you get? You're so happy. Is this the happiest day ever? You got it?